Okay, next one dy by dx plus 2 into y by x is equal to 2x square. So it is a linear differential equation in terms of y. So this is compared with standard form. ఇది ఒక dy by dx మోడల్లో LDE ఇది దీని యొక్క ఒరిజినల్ ఫామ్తో కంపేర్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So this is the standard form of linear differential equation in terms of y. Then we get the values of p and q like this. P is equal to coefficient of y. Y పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటిదే మనకి p. So that is here 2 by x. And q which is on right side, it is equal to 2x square. Okay. Now we have to find integrating factor for this problem. Since this is dy by dx model, therefore integrating factor is e power integral p dx. That is equal to e power integral p means 2 by x. P means 2 by x dx. So take 2 outside. 2 అనేది మనం outside తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటే integral 1 by x dx. Okay. Then it become e power 2 into integral 1 by x dx means log x. Okay, log mod x actually. So 1 by x అంటే log x రాసుకోవచ్చు, log mod x అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. సో e పవర్ 2 log x. సో ఈ 2ని మనం లాగర్థం యొక్క పవర్గా x స్క్వేర్గా మనం నోట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లాగర్థంకి ముందుండే నెంబర్ని ఇక్కడ x పవర్ 2గా నోట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. therefore e పవర్ log x స్క్వేర్, దట్ మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ e అనేది ఉంటుంది, e పవర్ log అంటే log క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి ఫైనల్లీ వి గెట్ if is equal to x square. Okay, this is the integrating factor. Now we have to write the general solution GS for this problem. The formula is y into if is equal to integral q into if dx plus c. Okay, so general solution formula is y into if is equal to integral q into if dx plus c. So y into if means x square we get, that is equal to integral q. Q means 2x square. Q అంటే 2x square ఉంది. 2x square into if is also x square dx plus c. That is equal to take 2 outside. Integral x square into x square into x power 4 dx plus c. So integral x power 4 into x power 5 by 5. Therefore finally y into x square is equal to 2 into integral x power 4 means x power 5 by 5. Integral x power n dx formula, that is integral x power n dx, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so ఈ ఫార్ములాని మనం అప్రోచ్ అవడం ద్వారా we get the solution y into x square is equal to 2 into x power 5 by 5 plus c. Therefore this is the required general solution for this problem.